Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming compatibility and gathering what you need: a supported iPhone, carrier eSIM details, Wi-Fi, and your physical SIM. Once done, back up quickly and insert the physical SIM so the phone recognizes the first line. Make sure your carrier provided a QR code or activation code, or that you can use their app. This saves time in the next step. You're now ready to move into activation without delay. You tap Settings, go to Cellular and choose Add Cellular Plan, then scan the carrier QR or follow the carrier app prompts to install the eSIM. Once installed, label each plan, Home, Work, Travel, so you can tell them apart. Then assign which line you want for cellular data and choose how incoming calls behave when using both lines. Because iOS handles two numbers differently, these choices determine how calls and messages route and which plan uses data, so set them deliberately. You finish by testing both lines. Place a call on each, send texts, and verify iMessage/FaceTime uses the expected number. Once satisfied, set the default line for new calls and for iMessage in cellular settings so apps use the right identity. If something goes wrong, activation errors, no service, or data not working, try restarting the phone, then reset network settings. If that fails, contact the carrier to reissue the eSIM or troubleshoot provisioning. That usually resolves most issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.